Imagine walking onto a high-stakes commercial film set, a fast-paced professional sports sideline, or a remote wildlife expedition, holding a camera that doesn't just capture the moment, but completely dictates how the industry views visual media. For years, the original Nikon Z8 was hailed as the absolute gold standard for hybrid creators, a near-flawless machine affectionately dubbed the Baby Z9. But behind the closed, highly secured doors of Nikon's engineering headquarters, a massive, quiet revolution has taken place, triggered by one of the most disruptive corporate moves in modern imaging history: Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. The result of this cinematic marriage isn't just a simple mid-cycle upgrade or a minor spec bump. It is a handheld, uncompromised imaging monster that is officially coming to seize the hybrid throne. This is the Nikon Z8 Mark II. It is a camera designed to completely erase the line between high-end commercial photography and Hollywood-grade filmmaking, wrapped in a rugged, weather-sealed chassis that defies the traditional thermal limits of compact bodies. Today, we are stripping away the corporate secrecy and diving straight into the raw, unadulterated truth of the Nikon Z8 Mark II, exploring its radical new processing power, its revolutionary sensor architecture, and the precise, groundbreaking engineering choices that make this the most highly anticipated, mind-bending hybrid camera ever built. To truly comprehend the monumental scale of what the Nikon Z8 Mark II brings to the table, you have to look closely at the shifting tectonic plates of the professional camera market. When Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema, the entire tech community held its breath, wondering how long it would take for Hollywood-grade color science and compression codecs to trickle down into a standard mirrorless body. With the Z8 Mark II, Nikon answered that question with a sledgehammer. They didn't want to just release another iterative body to compete with basic mirrorless rivals. They engineered this machine to be a complete philosophical pivot for the brand. The Z8 Mark II isn't just standing in the shadow of flagships anymore. It is stepping out as a fully realized independent cinema and stills powerhouse. By deeply integrating professional cinema pipelines directly into a form factor that field photographers can carry in a backpack for 14 hours straight, Nikon has effectively rewritten the rules of what a single camera body can accomplish. At the very heart of this technological masterpiece lies a completely redefined imaging core. The 45.7 megapixel fast-scan stack CMOS sensor, paired with the fiercely intelligent XP8 AI processing engine, while the rest of the industry spent years intensely debating the pros and cons of global shutters, which often introduce massive dynamic range penalties and poor low-light ISO performance, Nikon's engineering team found a vastly superior way forward. They pushed the sensor readout speeds to an absolutely blistering threshold, effectively making rolling shutter distortion completely extinct. Whether you are panning frantically to follow a Formula One race car blazing down a straightaway, tracking a bird in flight, shifting directions at lightning speed, or capturing a high-speed golf swing, the lines remain perfectly vertical, and the data transfers instantaneously. The sensor architecture incorporates an on-layer neural processing unit array that handles heavy data calculations locally before the information even reaches the main processor, allowing the camera to maintain peak performance without a single hint of system lag.